Hello, welcome to coderscoding. In this video, we are going to see how the single dimensional array will works. So by using the Turbo C++, I have to write the program. So initially, I open the Turbo C++ and type the data types like iostream.h and conio.h. Okay, now I have to start any program with the main, right? For that I have to write the int main. If you specified int, you must and should you have to return the value. So if you specified like a void, you don't want to return 0, then int main I have to take int I have to declare, and char word empty array equal to string I have to give any text. Here I have mentioned computer science. Then coming to, for computer science I have to print reduce the first print computer science and then next print from O, and then next skip O and then print M, then M script and then print O, like that I want. So for that I have to print for I equal to 0 a word I, so I plus plus. This is the initialization and condition checking and then increment. So first then print the, I am trying to print using the count /n. Each and every time it will take the new line and print word plus I. So what happened initially, as I already told you, it will print initially computer science, and then from O2 it print computer science, and M2 it will print, and P2 it will print. So return 0. Now you can see here computer science, and skip the C and skip the O and skip the M and print until the end of the string. If you want to modify, you can modify the text. If you give any text, it will take and print. Here we will remember the logic is the most important thing. Okay, so for more videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget, here I have to change the text and then write it down, and then I have to give the another text which is string, and then just type. Now you can see whatever you want to text you can give and execute the program. Don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for your valuable time.